What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a little unboxing of our plant-based cleaners. Should be interesting. Hope you want to stick around. So today, you know, sometimes I get the questions about plant-based cleaners, or vegan-friendly cleaners, environmental-friendly cleaners, etc., etc. So I figured I'd do an unboxing of some of the cleaners that we use in our household. We use Mrs. Meyers. I actually don't know what's in the box. My wife ordered this stuff. I said, hey, we're running low, and she just ordered it. So, you know, we're gonna see together what's in it, and I'll explain what we have. While I'm doing this, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any content. Hit that notification bell. Also follow me at the Vegan Mechanic. I'm sorry, at the_Vegan Mechanic on Instagram. Let you guys take a look at the same time with me. First up, we have the Clean Day multi-surface everyday cleaner. This scent is called Iowa Pine. I haven't smelled this one yet. We normally get the lemon. I think it's lemon verbena. So this one is a new one. It smells pretty good.
I was really excited to try that one.
Really?
Hi everybody. I miss you guys.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Hold up. You got how many? So it looks like she got more than one multi-surface everyday cleaner.
Yeah.
So she has different scents.
They run out.
They do run out. Anytime we get a little spill or anything, you know, having all these kids, we just grab this real fast. This one is called the honeysuckle scent.
I want to smell that one.
I can't really smell it just like that. Okay, now. So she got another one.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
This one is the lavender scent. I'm not sure why they do so much plastic, but all these cleaners are plant-based cleaners. Cruelty-free symbol on the back. Ooh, what was that? That one?
That's honeysuckle.
That smells good.
Mm-hmm.
This is lavender. Lavender is good for a lot of good things, you know, relaxing, cool you off, calming you down. So we're gonna spray a lot of that lavender around here. That smells good too.
Once we like put that on a surface.
Okay, we got another one.
I don't like that one.
I don't. Why'd you order it?
We have the hand soap, and the hand soap.
See, she has peppermint. So here's the thing about the peppermint hand soap that we have. The peppermint doesn't smell bad, but it's just like, it's one of those smells that you just don't really want to have, like, for cleaning. Like, I don't know how to say it, but like
no, it's weird. We got the hand soap, and then I ordered this, and then I tried the hand soap, and I realized I didn't like it.
It's like, who wants their breath and their hands minty fresh? It just weird to me.
It's too minty. It's too much.
Ooh, we got some more dish soap. This dish soap is pretty good. I never had this Iowa Pine scent, but the lemon one smells so good. Like, I wanted to do the dishes all the time.
Please tell me I got, yeah, you didn't. Please tell me I got some more lemon.
Oh, this smells like pine soap.
Really?
Yes. I don't know why she didn't pull up a chair. She just
I'm leaving back. I gotta go lay down. I didn't get more lemon?
There's some more here. I doubt it. So this one is lavender scent. Smells pretty good. Oh, hand soap. The bathroom. So we're gonna be covered for a while on everyday cleaner and hand soap.
And dish liquid.
Dish liquid as well. So guys, it looks like this was the last one. This is what it says, made with olive oil and aloe vera. This is also Iowa Pine scent. The prices aren't that bad either.
Not at all.
Let's see. Okay, I don't.
Everything came up to about $30, but it doesn't have the price on here.
It has a price. It just not in a total.
Total.
Yeah.
That's weird. I wonder why. Maybe because they sent the confirmation email.
Right. So yeah, look, it's about $30 for everything that we have here. That's it for what we have in here. So we got the Everyday Pines multi-surface everyday cleaner. I don't have my glasses on.
Why don't you have your glasses on?
I don't know. So, and then we also have the lavender scent clean day, peppermint scent clean day. Look, this peppermint one says it's limited edition seasonal scent. So yeah, we better be using that right now.
I want to use the honeysuckle.
Yeah, we'll get the cleaner.
I already did. You get to clean. How about you do some of them dishes you said you was looking forward to doing?
Ain't no dishes over there.
Yeah, no.
I did them.
Did you?
So, we have other cleaners like stainless steel cleaner. We have a wood cleaner for this table that we, using here.
Oh yeah, that is plant-based too.
Yep. We have laundry stain lift cleaner. Check out Mrs. Meyers. By the way, this is not a sponsored video or anything. I just thought I would let you guys know some of the products that we use here in our house to keep it clean without all the harmful chemicals and scents and plant-based and all. So I'll leave a link for their website down below. Like I said, I have no affiliation with Mrs. Meyers, but hey, if you want to give me a deal, Mrs. Meyers, hit me up. You got my email. Hit me up, Mrs. Meyers. But yeah, your dishes and your house will still be clean and it'll smell good. You're not losing any other benefits for using this stuff versus what you would normally use. I guess if you were using Clorox or whatever have you. This stuff will still clean your house just as good and smell good, and you won't have to use as much. Like this stuff, when well, like I said, I never had this scent, but the other one I had, the lemon one, when I was doing the dishes with it, I didn't really have to use much soap for it. It's really concentrated. It gets really soapy. It's really nice. So hopefully I helped you out. Let's get our new year started out right.
Well, if you're behind the curve like we were and late to the Mrs. Meyers party and you're wondering if it's a good investment, it really is. It's sure definitely worth buying. If you want to use more plant-based products.
For sure. Is your head in there? Yeah, make sure. Yeah, you in there.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just came because I was.
No, you can be here.
It's like I didn't miss him. I missed you guys, and I'm gone.
Well, guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. If you like my shirt, say eat grass, not ass. Until the next video, I'll see ya. Peace.